So today I'll be showing you how I use Vaseline together with rosemary and aloe vera plus moringa powder to make this very potent hair growth pomade that will grow your hair in the space of 2 weeks. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, keep watching.
But God demonstrated his love for us in this: while we were still sinners, Jesus died for us. Romans 5 verse 8. I remember vividly while we were growing up, we used Vaseline a lot on our hair, not because it had the ability to grow out the hair, but because it has the ability to protect the hair. Vaseline can seal in moisture, keeps the hair hydrated, and prevents it from having split end. It can act as a barrier against heat and environmental damages. Vaseline can also add shine to your hair. For this recipe, I'll be making use of Vaseline. Any Vaseline you have available is absolutely fine. Vaseline is Vaseline. So we are going to be making use of Vaseline as our base. Our next ingredient is moringa powder. If you have moringa oil, it is absolutely fine. You can still use that. If you are struggling with hair loss and stunted growth, try using moringa. Moringa contains several nutrients that can help promote hair growth. It contains vitamin A and vitamin C. The minerals such as zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acid. It is loaded with vitamins that will help your hair thrive and grow thicker. It contains anti-inflammatory and anti-fungal properties that can help fight scalp infections, scalp irritation, dandruff, itchiness, creating a healthy environment for your hair to grow. Our next ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most effective herbs you can use for hair growth, or even the most effective. Let's check Google to see if what I'm saying is true or not. Let's search most effective herbs for hair growth. Okay, it's right here. We're going to click on it, and this is what came out. Rosemary is ranking number 1 on this. So you see, rosemary is one of the most effective herbs that you can ever use for your hair growth. Even studies have shown that rosemary is as effective as minoxidil. That is the most potent hair growth medication out there. Our next ingredient is aloe vera. I'm just going to throw in this little portion into our pomade. Aloe vera contains enzymes that boost hair growth and stimulate hair follicle. Aloe vera deeply moisturizes and hydrates 4C hair and also prevents breakage. Aloe vera has the ability to soothe the scalp and fight against buildup. Aloe vera contains vitamins, minerals, and fatty acid that help nourishes the scalp and prevent dryness. After blending up my aloe vera, please note that I didn't peel the back, and the reason is not reason that much. I just felt like not peeling it, so do whatever works for you. I just felt like there was no need for me to peel it, so I went ahead to pour it into the other mixtures. The next step is for us to melt this Vaseline. So we are going to be putting it into hot water and allowing it to sit there for like 10 minutes to give it time to properly melt, so the herbs will infuse into the Vaseline. Comment and let me know if you're going to try out this recipe, because I really like it when you guys watch my video and assure me that you will try it. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. The Vaseline has melted, and please do not leave this thing just sitting on the fire. Make sure you're consistently stirring it. Okay, I am just going to leave it for another 5 minutes before I take it down. If you do not want to do a double boiler method, you can allow yours to infuse for at least 1 or 2 weeks. But some people will prefer to cook this on the fire to make it easier for themselves. What I'm saying is just do whatever works for you.
This is the method I prefer using, so I can still retain all the nutrients.
I will go ahead to stir up this so to combine all the ingredients. Please note that you can skip any herb you don't have available. If you don't have aloe vera, you can absolutely skip it and make do of whatever you have. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain this. It is important that you strain this well, so whenever you apply it, it will not leave residues on your hair. That is why I am straining it. Also, make sure you strain this while it is still liquid, because if you leave it for some time, it will solidify and you won't be able to strain it easily. I will not be able to use this for this video, but I will use it on my next moisture routine. You can also use this on your babies. You can use it for toddlers, you can use it for your baby, you can use it as an adult. This is absolutely safe. It is all natural, so it will not harm you or your child in any way. If you're experiencing stunted growth, hair fall, your hair is thinning out, your hair is breaking, and you're suffering from itchy scalp or dandruff, try using this recipe. Then come back with your review, because there's no way this will not work for you. You are combining rosemary, aloe vera, and moringa, and you think it will not work for you. This will definitely improve the overall health of your hair. This will definitely make your hair fuller, thicker, and longer. This is the chaff we got out. This one, we are going to be throwing it away. So this is what the Vaseline currently looks like now. It is in liquid form, but don't worry, it will solidify and it will be in a cream form. Sorry, in a pomade form. Yeah, this can last you for 2 to 3 months. You can also store this into your refrigerator and use it longer. For those that will ask me if you should wash it out, I don't know. If you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use it. For me, if I'm using it on my hair, it will definitely be as a leave-in. But you can choose to wash it out, do whatever you want to do, okay? So this is what it looks like now. I'll go ahead and put it into a refrigerator and I'll be back to show you guys. After 5 minutes, this is our cream. Our cream. This is ready to be used. You can use this for your babies. As I've said before, you can use it as an adult on your hair. You can use it to seal in moisture on your hair. You can even use it as a pre-poo before your wash day. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye. Mwah.